Hi everyone, Alessandro here. Just a quick reminder about the importance of connection. Connection to the universal energy that's always there. Connection to the earth. I love Thich Nhat Hanh when he says, the miracle is not walking on water, it's walking on the earth. So we have an incredible opportunity as human beings to really take time through a practice like Qigong, connect with the energy around us, which will benefit the body's energy system, help to settle the mind, bring a feeling of inner peace, mental clarity. And in Qigong, we always have some movement is really important. Then when we connect with the energy, we stay in tune with it and allow the energy to wash through the body. So there are benefits like healing the body, transforming the emotions, mental clarity, inner peace, and improving the connection with ourselves, which also means with those people, people around us, being more productive at work, things like that. Lots of different benefits. So this year, have a look at the website flowinghealth.co.uk. There's some retreats later on in the year in Sardinia and possibly elsewhere. Workshops in Hammersmith on the 23rd of March and later in the year. And then one-to-one VIP program for men with details on the website. So thank you for watching. Stay connected and trust your own journey. Take time for yourself, and all the best to you.